India News Hour. Why trust in AI is increasing despite of many fears. Business is speeding up in every way as the information economy has started to accelerate into the next phase of the industrial revolution. Immense disruption and continuous innovation driven by constant connectivity, exponential increases in data, access to massive computational power and even human-machine interaction are redefining strategy and upending industries around the world. In this era of massive transformation, businesses are facing constant pressure to stay ahead of the curve, and the pace of change is getting faster. At times, it is very difficult for the companies to understand how they are responding to these new pressures in the marketplace, as various new segments are yet to launch, like a new marketplace for all types of technologies, consultants and cybersecurity services with a predefined price tag with the service module. As per GSMA, the AI market is projected to reach $70 billion. Since the GSMA tackles the world's most pressing challenges by bringing together the public and private sectors to transform lives through access to mobile innovation. Since the beginning of 2020, the trust in AI-powered solutions has increased in the double digits, and many observe that this trust is justified. AI-powered identity verification provides optimum fraud prevention while significantly improves in the payment fraud detection. Payment fraud is an ideal use case for machine learning and artificial intelligence and has a long track record of successful use. Let's look into the top 10 headlines in VAR India. China may retaliate against Nokia Ericsson if EU bans Huawei. Sweden's Ericsson and Finland's Nokia are among the most immediate beneficiaries of the US-led campaign against Huawei. As per a report, China's Ministry of Commerce is looking into export controls that would prevent Nokia and Ericsson from sending products it makes in China to other countries. China may retaliate against Nokia Ericsson if the European Union follows the United States and Britain in banning Huawei technologies from 5G networks. Mass cancellation of Chinese orders from electrical parts companies. Various companies are cancelling orders on Chinese companies for power distribution and transmission gears since the last few days and are looking for newer destinations from countries like Japan, Taiwan, Korea, Germany, etc. Particularly, software imports can be from Europe and raw materials from Russia, Czech Republic or Poland for raw materials sourcing despite higher costs. InCred raises ₹500 crores from public sector banks and lenders. InCred, a fintech platform that provides customers and SMEs loans, has raised ₹500 crores in a debt funding round from various public sector banks and public financial institutions. The debt issuance took the form of term loans. InCred is strengthening its funding base to support its growth vision. It is the time to invest in India, PM Modi tells IBM CEO. IBM has committed to increase its investments in India. Arvind Krishna, CEO of IBM, informed Prime Minister Narendra Modi over a video conference call on Monday. The PM said that this is a great time to invest in India and the country is welcoming and supporting investments taking place in the tech sector. While the world is witnessing slowdown, FDI inflow in India is increasing. Jio applies to DoT for 5G field trials. Reliance Jio has applied to the Department of Telecommunications for 5G spectrum allocation for the field trials of its 5G network in select metros. Jio has requested the DoT to assign 800 MHz spectrum each in both the wave bands, that is 26 GHz and 24 GHz, as well as 100 MHz in the 3.5 GHz band. eSIM for iPhone users launched by Vodafone. Vodafone Idea has unveiled eSIM for compatible Apple iPhone devices in the selected circles in Mumbai, Delhi and Gujarat for its postpaid customers. eSIM is compatible for the Apple devices including iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone SE, iPhone XS, iPhone XS Max and iPhone XR. and the service will be available soon on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip and Galaxy Fold, the telecom company said in a press release. IndiGo to lay off 2,500 as demand stalls. India's biggest airline IndiGo has announced that it would lay off 10% of its 25,000 employees. The move is the first by a local carrier during the pandemic and comes about 2 months after domestic flight operations resumed, a period in which travel demand has plummeted to a fraction of that seen in past years. Facebook plans to take up mission success through WhatsApp platform. Facebook is ready to tap the business potential of WhatsApp. An Indian-centric monetization plan is being carefully crafted and many steps are being unveiled apart from the present opportunity with Jio. Its plan is to attract the 63 million MSMEs and even local kirana stores with customers. Mitesh Agarwal joins as Director of Customer Engineering at Google Cloud India. Mitesh Agarwal will lead a team of engineers and consultants who are focused on helping Indian organizations accelerate their ability to transform through data-powered innovation with Google Cloud Platform and G Suite. Karan Bajwa, Managing Director, Google Cloud India, said, Mitesh is an industry leader and his expertise will add great value to the Google Cloud in India as we help our customers accelerate their digital transformation journey with the cloud. New malicious spam targeting manufacturing and export industries. A new mal spam, that is malicious spam campaign, is targeting manufacturing and export sectors in India. The malware actors are leveraging multiple sophisticated techniques in this campaign to bypass traditional defense mechanisms. The attackers generally use publicly available systems such as Pastebin and Bitly to host their payloads as it helps them hide behind legitimate services that remain undetected. Finally, many organizations are now considering to migrate to digital transformation and cloud adoption, and for many, the transformation is accelerating. However, at the individual level, when consumers get a call, text, email or an app message from their card users asking them to validate a transaction or informing them of fraud on their card, they may not even suspect that behind this there is a predefined set of excellent customer service, which are really a brilliant set of algorithms which are very difficult for many to distinguish the myth from reality. COVID Watch. The number of positive coronavirus cases reported from India now stands at 11,54,819 and the toll from the disease stands at 28,132. The centre has written to all states and union territories warning against the use of N95 masks with valved respirators by people, saying these do not prevent the virus from spreading out and are detrimental to the measures adopted for its containment. Summing up, many businesses have made substantial improvements to technology infrastructure and processes, but they must continue to develop these capabilities along with a culture of innovation to stay competitive in the years ahead. Rapid ideation is already paying off for the companies that have the right tools and strategies in place. At the same time, certain companies are now prioritizing newer technologies and focusing on innovation alongside their younger peers like Reliance Jio. It is also true that business houses are under continuous pressure with the increasing competition and the accelerating pace of change. Lack only big picture issues like economic conditions and global security as high-level trends affecting companies. And this pressure makes it more important than ever to turn ideas into products and services that provide value quickly. In fact, more than 2/3 of companies surveyed say rapid development of new products and services with the support of AI, ML and IoT became a necessity. However, machine learning as a way to build analytic models and AI is the use of those models. Machine learning helps data scientists effectively determine which transactions are most likely to be fraudulent while significantly reducing false positives. The techniques are extremely effective in fraud prevention and detection as they allow for the automated discovery of patterns across large volumes of streaming transactions. Let's wind up for the day. But do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. Please download the War India app for the latest news and updates, which is available on Google Play Store. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.